Hi, it's Paula from Pola Quilting. Welcome back to my channel. Welcome to another show and tell today. This one is quite special. It took me almost 5 years to finish this quilt, and so there's a little bit of history here. I wanted to try Dresden plate quilt. I had a look at Pinterest for inspiration, and I decided I will make 4 large blocks with 4 Dresdens and put it together into a lap quilt. So I got the Dresden template and the fabric, start cutting, start sewing, and what I didn't realize was that from that particular Dresden plate template I will get this huge Dresden instead. As a beginner quilter at the time, it didn't cross my mind that there are different types of Dresden plate templates. I was a little bit of sorry for myself, and I stuck on how to proceed with it, so I put it away in the to-do box for 5 years. During the summer last year, my goal was to clean up all my unfinished tops, so I got around to this project again and decided to finish it. First, I made a square background 60 by 60 inches and sewn that Humongous Dresden to it. I top stitch edges at the top and the bottom. I used decorative stitches to do so. I then cut out the center hole and used bias binding to finish it off. I used 2.5 inch white and blue squares to make block big enough to fill up that center. I then added further squares and 2.5 inch strips to add borders to make the quilt a bit bigger. All quilting has been done using decorative stitches. For the center I just followed the square seams, and for the remaining part I followed longer edges of the Dresden pattern up to the first border, and then I followed again the seams of the border itself and echoed it inside in the middle. So very simple quilting, but because of use of those decorative stitches, it kind of adds a little bit of special effect there. For the backing I used a bedding cover. It was a king size, so I didn't have to sew it in the middle, so it was just one big piece. I used scraps from that backing to make binding. Just 2.5 inch strips as usual. Stitch on the left side with machine and finish also on machine on the front with the same decorative stitch. I just amended it to be a little bit of narrower. Overall, I am happy with the result now. It's just a little bit of reminder, both for me and for everyone who's watching, that sometimes a project needs to rest before you know, it will be ready to be finished. You know, it's okay if they come up a different way than we thought initially they will look. So quilting should be fun and relaxing, so if something is stressing you out, put it away for a little bit and solution will come eventually. I have few tutorials about how to finish off a quilt, and it's all placed for you in playlist called Quilting Tips. Please be sure to pop in there if you need more information about anything between squaring up your quilt, how to make or sew binding using different methods. I also have a playlist called Quilting Designs with my go-to ideas for both straight stitch and free motion quilting. All are easy and beginners friendly. All links to the playlist are in the description below. Don't forget to pop in on my website to check out my book. I published a month ago. It's all about using your scraps, but with very easy method of using magic numbers. So if you're struggling with sorting out your scraps into something, that book really can help you. And if you're not sure if that book is for you, check the feedback left by other quilters. Hopefully that will convince you that actually it's a very good tool to have in your quilting room. I hope you liked this short video. Please pop in the comment what you think about my finish, and if you have any questions about this quilt. More show and tell to come. Thanks for watching and see you next time. Thank you for watching. I hope you will share this tutorial. Subscribe if you haven't done so. Happy sewing and see you next time.